Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a resume with Claude AI. So this is a helpful way to quickly organize your skills, education, and work experience into a professional resume that you can edit for a job application. So first open up Claude AI and sign into your account, and once you are on the main screen, click inside the message box and enter a clear prompt explaining the type of resume that you want Claude to create. So for mine, I'm going to type create a professional resume for administrative assistant with 1 year of experience, managing schedules, organizing files, answering emails, and assisting customers. So include a short summary, work experience, key skills in education, and after entering the prompt, click the send button. And then Claude will then create a resume draft based on the information in your prompt. So it should include important sections such as a professional summary, work experience, skills, and education. And then you can make the resume more personal by adding your real job history, responsibilities, achievements, and then contact information. And you can also ask Claude to improve the wording, shorten certain sections, or adjust the resume for a specific job position. So once the resume is ready, review all the details carefully and make sure everything is correct. And after that, copy the content into a document editor and then make any final changes before using it for your job applications. And that is how you can create a resume with Claude AI. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.